So this time I visited the west side of Saudi Arabia. The place is known as Taif. It has so many wadis where we can find so many birds that are living over there. Some of them are resident and some of them are migrated. It is a rich place with good biodiversity, and that is a good place to find such habitat. So it's
Take the next right onto Mecca, Al Taif Route 15.
okay. It's still pretty dark here. I'm in Makkah region and heading myself towards As Shafa. That's one of the wadis in Taif region. The sun is rising and I'm heading my way up to As Shafa and Wadi Ghazal. That is one of the beautiful wadis in this Taif region, and it has one of the amazing biodiversities. So let's see today what we have to find. I've been here like 2-3 times, couple of times before, and this time let's see. It's this time I'm in the early Octobers, and before I have been here in winters like December, and in spring, that is April to May. So this time it's the new season for me, and let's get some birds. So guys, right now I'm in Wadi Ghazal and I found a buzzard that is sitting right now at behind of the one of the rocks in the mountains, and I made some small footage of that, but it was very far. And it's pretty cold here, like it's 15 degree, and I can hear some birds like wagtail and the starlings, grackle actually, and let's see, let's find out more. So guys, I am here in Wadi Ghazal and I found one of the western yellow wagtails here and one of the warblers. Western yellow wagtails was sitting on the, it was feeding on the ground with some, in the, there was a small wet patch where the wagtail was feeding on it, and I made some video and had some shots with my new camera Nikon Z8, and it was pretty nice. There's so many birds chirping at my back. It includes like red struts, it includes Yemen linnet, and there are some warblers over here also, and white throat. I saw a white throat as well, and there is a one raptor, and that's sneaking in the bushes and hunting on something. I believe it's the buzzard which I shot, and this is a pretty amazing place because there is a small patch of water over here, and that is ideal for small songbirds over here in the valley, and that's just very nice. I made some footage. There are pretty much wagtails over here as well. I didn't find twin stem starlings over here right now, but the European bee eaters, they are circling in the sky, and it's pretty nice. The weather here is very cool. It's around like 13 to 14 degrees right now in the Wadi. I'm in one of the valleys deep down from the main road, and it's pretty steep, but I have managed to come over here. Whereas my new camera, Nikon Z8, is concerned, it is doing pretty well job actually here right now, because I'm making videos as well, and I'm also shooting some photos as well, and you can say focus is pretty good, and images are coming out pretty sharp. And the video is the best thing about this camera is the video. You can make handheld shots, like I'm using a Sigma 60 to 600, and with its stabilization and Nikon Z8 stabilization, it's the output is amazing. So I'm pretty enjoying it right now. The best thing about this place is its biodiversity. There are so many small birds, so many, like you can say, insects and vegetations that looks up very good, like bushes, herbs and flowers, also some of the fruits which small birds love to eat them. So it's pretty nice place to actually be here. So if somebody is here in this area called the Taif region or in Jeddah, I definitely recommend this place. It's called As Shafa and Wadi the Ghazal. It's one of the beautiful place where you can find many good birds and some of the endemic species as well, like Yaman thrush, and you can say like some African birds like cinnamon breasted buntings, and endemic includes Arabian babbler, that's over here, and twist stem starlings as well. Rupal weavers is also here. So I definitely highly recommend this place that you should visit and have some bird photographs. uh, Let me show you some of the footage which I took here in this Wadi de Ghazal, and it includes some of the photos and videos which I have managed to capture, and let's see what's there. Let me tell you something for all the birders out there. I mostly do birding in Saudi Arabia in the car, and believe me, it's fun. Why? Because sometimes what happens that you have to be close to a bird, and in the car you can still manage to get the close-ups. But when you are on the foot, you have to sneak a lot, and especially in Saudi Arabia where birds are a little shy. So in that case, what happens is that you miss the bird. So for example, in the car, sometimes you get the advantage of a camouflage, and the car color itself plays a role of like a stealth and like low profile. So what happens is basically it gets dissolved in the atmosphere of the for example the trees and in the like shadows and in the dark places, so you can pretty much go near to the bird. So what I recommend is that as you go near, you turn off your AC, and switch off the car as well, and that will get you good shots and videos like I did today in this Wadi Ghazal. So that was pretty nice actually. I'm here now in the wadis and I saw some very small, beautiful, red starts in the water and the patch. But I have to make sure I'm in the correct place so I can shoot them. This place is just amazing. This place is just beautiful, and there is a small water stream over here as well, and the weather is pretty nice as well. So that is one of the beautiful places I've seen here. I've been here before as well, but this time I'm on foot over here. Usually I used to be in the car, and today I managed to come along here down in the small um, jungle. So it's pretty nice. So talking about this combination of Nikon Z8 with this Sigma 60 to 600, it's been a very nice experience actually. The focus is very good, and especially during the videos, it spots the eye of the bird very nicely. This camera has the feature of, you can say the Nikon has the feature of animal tracking, and that helps for the tracking of the birds as well. So right now there's a bird in front of me. It's the red start and it's on the log. It's the birds was hiding in the behind the bushes, so I managed to take the shots. I'll try to sneak past and I'll see that if I can get the shot of the bird, or if the bird is still there. Yeah, the bird just flew behind me, and right now it's not in the good position to take the shot because the sun, it's making it pretty look darker, and my camera cannot shoot this, but I will try to focus. I'll try to manage if I can get the shot. So I got to manage some shots, and that was red start, and there are so many red starts over here right now. So let's see. Now, while I was here making some shots for the red start, I just happened to see one Yaman thrush. That's pretty rare bird actually here, and I have shot this bird before as well, and it's found throughout from, you can say, yeah, from Asi region to this Taif region. And guys, there are two friends here which I just managed to find. They just ran away. Just some small, you know, these are some small cats, babies. And these guys just found me over here, and they are, these are some of the friends which found me over here doing the bird photography. One of these guys is here, and the second one is a little shy, and you can say it's been a pretty nice experience today birding in the Taif region in the Wadi Ghazal and As Shafa. So I managed to get some very good songbirds, and like you can say, I made some videos, I made some photos, I took some photos. So that was an worth it trip today, and I hope I can see in future also wherever I go. I like, let's see that. I'll be heading back now because it's been awesome day, and there were pretty good birds today which I've seen. So let's see how the photos and videos end up.